Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to fix metrobank online banking. Firstly, ensure that you are using the correct 12-digit customer number. Double-click the number and make sure there are no typos or missing digits. Ensure you're logging into your personal banking section if you're accessing a personal account. If you are logging into a business or commercial account, ensure you are on the business and commercial banking platform. Secondly, clear cookies and cache. For Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. If clearing cookies doesn't help, try using a different browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Microsoft. If you are trying to log in through a saved link to your favorites or bookmarks, it could be an outdated link. Try typing the URL directly into the browser or search for the official banking website through Google. And if you've allowed all the above steps and still cannot log in, call customer support for assistance. You can reach them at 0345 0808 500 or the customer service number provided by your bank. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.